Hi, today in front of me HUAWEI NOVA 11i and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So open first the settings, then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you will see silent mode. Just to activate it, switch sound to the silent. And when the silent mode is activated, we could see that our ringtones, message notifications, they will be muted. Once just to turn off silent mode, we should switch it to the sound one. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and you will see here sound icon. Just click on this icon twice and it switch to the silent. To turn it off, click once again to the silent and it switch to the sound one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.